Good morning, students. The next episode of that is P18. That is the episode of the chapter 6, that is triangles. And the 6.1, that is exercise for homework. Second to 6.2, there are some exercises to discuss. The remaining two questions of that exercise are for your homework. Then exercise 6.3, that is next one. The first three questions are simple questions that will be for homework. And the fourth question is, from this figure, we know that there are two triangles, and from this figure, that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, it is given, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is angle 1 is angle Q, angle 2 is PRS, that is the angle, they are equal. So that the triangle PQS, that is PQS, similar triangle TQR, we can prove that the result. In this case, we know that PS is parallel towards TR. That is our figure. Therefore, the answer is QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. That is given. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is also given. That is, angle Q is equal to angle PRQ. That is always given. Okay? Then we know that these two angles are equal. Which implies that this triangle QPR is an isosceles triangle. That means two angles of a triangle are equal, base angles are equal. The side opposite to that two angles are equal. Therefore, we know that a triangle PQR is isosceles. Therefore, the triangle is isosceles. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. That is opposite to sides. PQ is equal to PR. Therefore, this result, PR is replaced by P2. This is equation number 1. Therefore, equation number is QR by QS is equal to QT by PR is replaced by P2. That is the two sides of identical triangles are proportional. Therefore, triangle PQS similar triangle PQR, that is yes criteria for similarity. This is criteria for similarity. Okay. Then the fifth question is, yes and T are the points on PR and Q Okay. Let us consider the figure. S and T are the points on the side PR or the QR of triangle PQR. And angle P is always equal to angle R plus. Prove that these two triangles are congruent. Similarly, that means let us consider the triangle PQR. S is the point on the side PR. This is the point S. And T is a point on QR. T. Then join these two. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal. Prove that the triangle RPQ, RPQ congruent triangle RTS. Listen, these two angles are equal. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Therefore, these two lines are parallel. Answer is angle P is equal to angle RTS. That is given. Therefore, PQ parallel to TR. TS parallel to TS. PQ parallel to TS. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, what is PR by RS. Therefore, PR by RS is equal to QR by PR. That is basic proportionality theorem for that triangle. Therefore, if these two sides are in proportional, it is also proportional to the base. Therefore, PR by RS is equal to QR by TR is equal to PQ by TS. Therefore, triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS. That is yes criteria for similarity. Okay. Then the fifth question. We know that this angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal. Therefore, these two lines are parallel. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, PR by RS is equal to QR by TR. Therefore, it is also equal to the third side. That is basic proportionality. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. That is yes criteria for similarity. Then the next question, that is the sixth question. If triangle ABE congruent triangle ACB, show that triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. Then the figure, that is figure ABC, D congruent triangle ABE. That is congruent to ADC. That means answer is triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. That is given. Therefore, two triangles are congruent means their corresponding sides are equal and also corresponding angles are equal. That means ABE and ACD. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. That is given. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to S. That is CP. Therefore, listen, this angle DBE or ABE, angle ABE is equal to angle ACD. That means these two angles are equal. That is also CP. Angle B is equal to angle C. That is base angles of isosceles triangle. That is the answer. Therefore, these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal, and this AED and these two angles are also equal. Angle BAEB is equal to angle AEB is equal to angle ADC. That is also CPC. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Therefore, D is parallel to this. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. From these results, we know that DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. What is it? That is basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, triangle ADE similar triangle ABC. That is side criteria of similarity. That is our result. Okay. From this congruency, the corresponding sides are equal and also the corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, we have to prove that these two sides are equal. Therefore, base angles are equal, and also these two angles are always equal. Therefore, this triangle is that E is parallel to BC. From basic proportionality theorem, we know that the sides are proportional. Therefore, all the sides of these two triangles are proportional. They are similar. Then exercise 6.3, then 6th question and also 7th question. Attitude AD and CE for triangle ABC. Intersect at P. Show that question number 1, triangle AEP, similar triangle CDP. Second question, triangle ABD, similar triangle CDP. Third question, triangle AEP, similar triangle ADB. Fourth question, triangle BDC, similar triangle BEC. Then let us transform the figure. It is the figure triangle ABC. On the AD, CE. This side is 90 degree. This side is also 90. The point of intersection is P. This is the figure. That means, what is question? AD and CE are the attitudes to the side ASBC and AB of triangle ABC. These two attitudes intersect at P. Show that triangle AEP, similar triangle CDP. AEP is equal to AEP is equal to this. So that is triangle AEP. AEP. CDP. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. These two angles are equal. That is opposite angles. Therefore, two angles of two triangles are equal. Then the third angle is equal. Therefore, they are similar triangles. That means question number 1 answer is question number 1. Angle AEP is equal to angle CDP is equal to 90 degree. That is given. Angle APE is equal to angle CPD. That is opposite angles. Therefore, two angles are equal, then the third angle is also equal. Therefore, triangle AEP similar triangle CDP. What is the angle? That is angle criteria of similar triangles. That is the first answer. Then, what is the second one? Second question, ABD. ABB, that is and CBE. ABD and CEB. Or CBE. These two triangles. That means triangle ABD. ABD. That is angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to, and what is second triangle? CBE. CEB. So angle CEB. CEB is equal to what? 90 degrees. That is given. Then ADB. ADB. B is the angle of that triangle. CBE. B is also the common. That is angle B is equal to angle B. That is common. Therefore, two angles are equal. Therefore, the third angle is also equal. Therefore, triangle ABD. Similar, triangle CBE. That is angle criteria of similarity. Clear? Then what is the third question? Then the third question is AEP. AEP. Similar ADB. ADB. AEP. ADB. And triangle AEP, that is angle AEP is equal to third question. Angle AEP is equal to ADB. ADB and ADB is equal to 90 degrees. That is given. AEP, ADB. These two are also same angles. ADB, AEP. Therefore, angle AEP angle PAE is equal to angle DAB. That is common. Therefore, triangle AEP similar triangle ADB. That is angle criteria of similarity. Then what is the fourth question? Fourth question is triangle PDC. PDC. That is angle. Then fourth question, angle PDC is equal to, then BEC. BEC. That is angle BEC. Is equal to 90 degree. That is good. PDC. BEC. Therefore, the angles are equal. Angle PCD is equal. That is angle PCD. PCD is equal to ECB. That is common. Therefore, triangle PDC, similar triangle PDC, that is angle triangle. That means all these four problems, that is all the triangles are similar, means let us consider one angle is 90 degree for each triangle. That is given. That is all it is. And other angles are common or vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by using angle criteria, we can prove that all these four triangles are similar. The next question. Question number 8. E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. B intersect CD at E. Show that triangle ABE similar triangle CFE. This is the next question. That is 8th question. That means ABCD is a parallelogram. That is ABCD. Is a parallelogram. E is a point on side AD produced. That is E. Or triangle parallelogram ABCD. BE intersect CD at F. Show that triangle ABE that is this triangle similar to CFB. That means these two triangles. ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, DF is parallel to A. By basic proportionality theorem, AE by DE is equal to EB by EF. That means answer is what? AB parallel to CD. AD parallel to BC. That is given. Therefore, DF parallel to AD. Therefore, AE by DE is equal to EB or BE by EF. That is basic proportionality theorem. Is an equation. These two angles are equal. That is angle A is equal to angle C. Given. That is angle is equal to angle A. Angle D is equal to angle C. Angle D is equal to angle C. That is also alternate angles. These two angles are equal. Angle DFE is equal to angle CFB. CFB. That is opposite angles. Therefore, triangle DFE-FD similar. Triangle FCFD, that is angle criteria. Therefore, their sides are in proportional. Therefore, DE by BC is equal to that is DE by BC. DE by BC is equal to EF by BF. Okay. Therefore, DE BF or similarly we can write this as BF by EF is equal to BC by what? DE. That is this. That is this corresponding side proportional. Okay. Then let us consider this equation A by D is equal to D by EF. That is AE by DE, BE by EF. BE. EF is replaced by what? That is therefore this is equation number 2 from 1 and 2 AE by DE is replaced by BC is equal to BE by BF. AE by DE is replaced by BC and BE by EF is replaced by BF. Therefore, triangle ABE similar triangle CBF, that is angle criteria. CBF, that is angle criteria. Okay. Then the next question is, that is question number 9. Question number 9. A, B, C and A, M, P are two right triangles. Right triangles at M, at B and M. Right triangles, right angle. Angle at B and M. Prove that triangle ABC, similar triangle AMP and CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. The figure is A, B, C. Okay. There are two triangles. One is right triangle ABC, right angle at B, and P, AMP, right angle at M. Prove that triangle ABC, similar triangle AMP. Listen, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP is equal to 90 degrees, that is given. That is perpendicular, right angle triangles. Angle A is equal to angle A, that is common. Therefore, two angles are equal, the third angle is also equal. Therefore, these two triangles are common. Therefore, triangle ABC, similar triangle AMP, that is angle triangle. Therefore, the hypotenuse of the first triangle is against 90 degree, that is B. Therefore, it is AC. Therefore, CA by the corresponding hypotenuse of the second triangle is against 90 degree M, that means it is A2. That is PA is equal to. What is the altitude of the first triangle DC? By what? MP. That is side proportionality of similar triangles. Here, therefore, it is the property side proportionality of the triangles. The 10th question is, let us consider a triangle that is an isosceles triangle ABC, and E is a point on BC produced, no CD produced, BC or CD produced. AB is not yes because it is an isosceles triangle. AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC. They are always given. Prove that the triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. Listen. Answer is AB is equal to AC. That is given. Okay. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. That is base angles of isosceles. ISO S C E L E S. Isosceles. Base angles are always equal. Therefore, triangle ABD, that is angle is B. ECF, that is angle C. Therefore, these two angles are equal. And angle ADB is equal to angle EFC is equal to 90 degree. That is given. Therefore, two angles of these two triangles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are also equal. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangles ABD similar. Triangle ECF. What is the reason? Angle criteria of similarity. Okay. Listen, ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is given. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. And extend CB to E such that AD, because isosceles triangle, the altitude is always the median. Median means the line going any point at opposite variables, and the midpoint of opposite side is known as median. Therefore, for isosceles triangle, median and also altitude are same. Therefore, it is always, that is AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, that two triangles are congruent, similar, with two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ADB is equal to similar triangle EFC. Therefore, the next exercise will be in the next episode. Okay.